Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Aventador versus Reventon. We will explore their unique characteristics, performance metrics, and design philosophies to help you understand which vehicle might better suit your preferences. Both represent the pinnacle of Lamborghini engineering, but they offer distinct experiences for enthusiasts. When it comes to raw power, the Aventador generally offers more, with its 6.5-liter V12 engine delivering up to 770 horsepower. The Reventon, while still incredibly potent, produces 641 horsepower from its similar V12. This translates to a slightly higher top speed for the Aventador, reaching 217 miles per hour compared to the Reventon's 211 miles per hour. Both offer exhilarating acceleration. Beyond performance, design and exclusivity set these two apart. The Reventon's angular, stealth fighter-inspired aesthetic makes it instantly recognizable and incredibly unique. With only 20 coupes ever made for the public, its rarity is unmatched. The Aventador, while also striking, boasts a more modern and aggressive design that evolved over its production, making it a more common sight, relatively speaking. Ultimately, choosing between these two legends often comes down to what you value most. The Reventon is a collector's dream, a piece of automotive art whose value is driven by its extreme scarcity. The Aventador, on the other hand, offers a more modern, powerful, and technologically advanced driving experience, albeit with higher production numbers. For those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to these leak-proof containers and other fantastic offers. Both are incredible, but one offers unparalleled exclusivity, while the other delivers cutting-edge performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.